Want to know how to create an amazing fitness form for free? With Kulfi Forms add-on, you can do that in less than 2 minutes. Let's start after this quick intro. Welcome back. Alright, in search fitness, select this result. Then load this template. Now, I'll play a little bit with this form. I'll make the body background color blue. And select another color for the form title. Let's choose red. And the submit button will select black for it. And increase its size to 36. And for its background color, we'll make it dark gray. The text alignment is left. Let's make it in center. And for the text color, it's fine as in black, and I'll make the text size X large. Now, let's refresh this link. Awesome! Everything changed successfully. And you feel free to change wherever you want in this template. You can share with us your amazing template after the changes you've done. If you have any question, don't hesitate to put it in comments. And thanks for watching Kulfi Forms.